In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to add tags on the YouTube the correct way. YouTube tags are keywords that tell the YouTube platform what your video is about. When you don't use tags correctly, YouTube guesses your topic, and guessing is bad for your channel's growth. This is especially critical for new and small creators. Now, let me show you how to add tags the right place, step by step. Go to the YouTube studio, click on content, and choose the video that you want to fix or that you want to upload. And then scroll down and click show more options. Here is the tag section. In this box, you are expected to add all relevant tags that are directly related to your videos that you are going to upload. Yes, the box is small, but the impact is big. Now let me tell you the 5 major rules of using tags in the YouTube platform. The first rule is main keyword goes first. For example, you are expected to add this tag in the case of this video. How to add tags on the YouTube. This comes first. The second rule is keyword variations. You are expected to add different types of keywords, but that are directly related to the main theme of your videos. For example, in the case of this video, you are expected to add tags on YouTube, YouTube tags tutorial, or YouTube SEO tags or related tags that are directly related to the video keywords. The third rule is using long tail variations. Yeah, you're expected to use long tailed keywords in your tag space. For example, in the case of this video, you're expected to use this tag, how to add tags on YouTube step by step, or YouTube tags for beginners. The fourth rule is add your channel's name or your brand name. In my case, Ethiopia First You. You are expected to incorporate this channel brand in your tags space. The fifth rule is you are not expected to use irrelevant and trending tags just to get clicks. That one is the fastest way to confuse the YouTube algorithm and to kill your video's reach. YouTube allows up to 500 characters long for using tags, but you are expected to use around 20 to 30 highly relevant tags. So more tags do not mean more views. Rather, better tags do better. Now listen carefully. Tags will not save a bad title, and tags will not also fix weak video description. So your main keywords must also appear in your titles, in your description, and your tags, perhaps. This is how YouTube clearly understands your video. If your videos are not getting views, start fixing your tags today. Small changes like this may make a big difference over time. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video, share with another creators who are struggling with the growth, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.